Dear students, in our last lecture we learned that how to use the distinct function to fetch the distinct records from our database. Now in this lecture we are going to learn that how to convert the values of a column into uppercase or into a lowercase. This is extract of our employee information table. If you observe the values of column employee name, you will see that every name is being started from with an uppercase alphabet, whereas remaining all characters are available in lowercase. Let's see that how we can use or convert the values of this column into uppercase. You can see that after using the uppercase, all values of column employee name are converted into uppercase. Now let's apply the lowercase. Let's execute this query to convert the value of column employee name in lowercase. You can see that all the values of this column are being displayed in lowercase. Got it? Now just for your review, I am going to write a query which will have upper lower cases at a time. Select upper employee name as uppercase, lower employee name as lowercase. Let's execute this query. Now you can see that we have selected employee name column 3 times. First we converted the values of employee name into uppercase. Then the values of employee name column are converted in lowercase. And the third column, here we have displayed the original values of employee name column.